every year we provide an opportunity for all the researchers or aspects of the research programs or individuals to meet to discuss progress, discuss implementation, discuss challenges. This year, we are having the annual meeting in 2019 here in Dakar, Senegal, which is the first time we're having it in a French-speaking country on the continent. And the entire idea is to showcase the excellent science that has taken place over the past 4 years on the continent.
I applaud and commend the partnership that has given birth to the DELTAS Africa project. I salute the Wellcome Trust, AUDA, and all the partners for coming together with AAS to create this initiative.
I think the main impact of the DELTAS program, as far as our consortium is concerned, in terms of increasing the number of highly trained African scientists in various areas. There are better part of 1,500 PhDs, masters that are being trained through this program.
The DELTAS program has facilitated intra-Africa mobility. Normally we see collaboration taking place from the south to the north. From the DELTAS perspective, we've been able to develop a network that really allows Africans to share knowledge amongst themselves. And I think for me this has been very key.
We wanted to shift the leadership and management, and we were thrilled when we, with help from other people, identified the African Academy of Sciences as the most appropriate Pan-African organization in a way to sort of realize that goal.
In terms of what a lot of our fellows who have already come through the programs are doing. So some have already graduated with PhDs and they have positions within their universities. Some are sitting on WHO committees or presidential panels on health on the continent. Some are faculty and already training other PhDs and master students and attracting large research grants.
Take the example of Senegal, we have young scientists who have demonstrated some kind of species which is known to be spreading in East Africa, but they demonstrate we found it now in West Africa.
I've been very impressed by the motivation that people have, by their enthusiasm, and I hope I continue a relationship with DELTAS and the African Academy of Sciences.
My PhD work is on sexually transmitted infections and sexual behavior among young adults attending higher learning institutions in Beirut in Tanzania. So the DELTAS Africa grant under Thrive has managed to give me a stepping stone to being an identified researcher in the region of sexual and reproductive health, working with young people, which has been my dream.
À travers le programme de Delta, j'ai eu vraiment la chance d'être fait partie de ce groupe de recherche pour la mise en place d'un nouveau système de surveillance de santé humaine et de santé animale. Et c'est là déjà un grand changement dans la manière que j'interviens et aussi j'applique la recherche, notamment sur le plan de l'engagement avec la communauté.
My research is in HIV vaccine design. DELTAS has been helpful in that, I mean, the consortia provides mentorship. And I think as a researcher, being mentored and being able to communicate with other researchers has been very, very helpful, and it is very important.
The DELTAS program has impacted my research in many ways. First of all, I am a CASA graduate, and so CASA is funded by DELTAS, and so I was able to get funding for my PhD. It also afforded me the opportunity of meeting with other fellows from different backgrounds, from Kenya, from Tanzania, even from Nigeria as well.
And my research is actually focusing on malaria. I've been able to use the DELTAS program. I undertook a one-year program in advanced clinical research at the Harvard Medical School, and which is all funded by the DELTAS.
Je voudrais remercier le programme DELTAS et l'Académie africaine des sciences et les bailleurs qui ont contribué à développer ce programme et interpeller nos autorités à encore s'investir et s'approprier les résultats de ce programme parce que nous ne faisons que commencer et il faut vraiment qu'on arrive avec les différents moyens que nous avons à pouvoir développer une masse critique des chercheurs sur le continent.
This congregation of African scientists from various projects of the Deltas is critically important. I think the first thing is that it strengthens the networking of African research. It allows us to interact with other colleagues and also to explore possibility of collaboration and also to see the depth of new investigators that are coming through the rank for future leadership.
So we've created a platform where they started looking at specific disease areas, and because of the excellence that they have shown, they have been able to attract other partners who have gone on to win and actually increase the partnerships with other institutions. So I can guarantee you that given the 20-year horizon that the DELTAS program is expected to run, we will see the level of impact. It would be very obvious for everybody to see.